That one was a big one. Hey Burpees, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in and thank you for clicking on my video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Today I am eating, of course, my favorite and also favorite forever and ever, noodles. I have the packages of noodles over there. I should go get them. All right, so let's take some photo ops. Hey. All right, so I'm doing two packages of the oyster and one package of the fire noodles. Then I have some mozzarella and fish cake, corn dogs. And I got these from H Mart. That's the Korean market. I took the kids there the other day. So, and then some pickled radish. And of course, some sparkling water. So I'm gonna try to get a pool, okay? Oh, that was good. All right, guys. Hey, I'm here. So honestly, tomorrow is the beginning of August, and I said I'm gonna go on a diet, not a diet, but like really try to like discipline myself for a month and see. Oh my gosh, y'all didn't even tell me all my pickled radish was about to fall off though. Get into these noodles, y'all. So I put cheese on top. Okay, my noodles are just falling. Just get into me eating them. These right here, the oyster sauce flavor noodles are so freaking amazingly bomb. Let's try a noodle with some corn dogs. Okay. Is that how they do it? They put it on there like that? Okay, because that does not, okay. That was a fail. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Woo! These corn dogs are amazing. I'm going to show you what they are. Some Topo Chico. Ooh. Excuse me. Ooh. So, y'all, what's new? For me, there's a lot of stuff going on, honestly. But there's also a lot of stuff going on in the industry, like with the baby. You know, I will say what he said was like insensitive, honestly, especially to people that do have AIDS and stuff like that. If you don't know what he said, this is what he said.
You didn't show up today with HIV, AIDS, any of them deadly sexually transmitted diseases that'll make you die in 2-3 weeks. Put a cell phone light in the
His apology just wasn't there. And then me and my fiance was talking about this, and we were just like, I was like, what do you think about the baby? Like the baby, he was like, honestly, he went, even real life, I wouldn't be around him. Like, he the type of nigga like that would just be like, try to front. Excuse me. And I felt that, like, he give me too much cocky vibes. Like, it's just too much. Oh, also, this video is big bites. I meant to say that too. Like, this video is gonna be big bites and talking. So let's, I don't even know how, do I, like this? Like that? Sorry, no, seriously. I'm gonna do it this way. I gave my nanny the day off, really, aka my sister, but she's been doing really good, so I've been watching my kids. You know, I get it. I get why women get nannies, why they get like people to raise their kids. I mean, you just be like, damn, I got kids, but I ain't got kids. You know what I'm saying? And then when it's time to be around your kids, you're like, who are y'all? I don't know. That stuff is expensive. Ooh, you gotta have that money. Excuse me. Let's get some pickled radish. I love pickled radish. My favorite is the yellow one. This one's my favorite. There's the white one too, but this one's my favorite. I'm trying to pull this like in like a nice way where once it gets to the end, you're like, dang, she ate a lot. So yeah, I'm going definitely on the diet, y'all. Like, I haven't worked out in 3 weeks. Like I said, I just haven't been there. Oh, but I went on a girls trip with my girlfriends, and it was fun. No, seriously. Whoa, look at this. I'm gonna go this way, even though I should go okay, I'm just gonna go this way because I just can't do it. First, let's move this on my hair, on my way. Okay. You like the ginger? Anyway, one big bite. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that's the combination right there. Mmm. That one pack of fire noodles is just enough. It's just enough. Oh my gosh. Seriously. Y'all know I hate when my burps get stuck. Oh, it's stuck right, like it gets stuck literally like right there. I told you I started therapy, right? And I ain't gonna lie, it was going good until I felt like my therapist, hold on. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. She was a cool therapist. The problem is that I felt like this was just like she just took on another case. Meaning like we were supposed to have appointments, like saying I had got sick or what the case may be. Like she'll be like, okay, I'll call you on Saturday. Saturday will come, there will be no phone call, no text. Then a week will go by, no phone call, no text. And then I would have to hit her and be like, hey, like, are we going to have a session? She's like, oh, yeah, do you want me to call you tomorrow? So it almost was like, I need a therapist that's going to be like, hey, you know, same time next week, you know, I'll call you, I'll text you before I call you, like that type of stuff, because I'm coming to you because I need help. And if you're going to be lackadaisical with me, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to fucking fall off track of what I need help with. You know what I'm saying? So now I need to find me a new therapist. I guess under the same company. Let's go to the next corn dog. Let's see if I can get a pull. No pull. I'm not going to say a lot like I'm not blown, but that doesn't mean to give up. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm still going to be in therapy. I'm still gonna make sure I talk to somebody or try to get help because I know I need it. It doesn't mean stop. You feel me? So, my girls trip. we went to, well, it was a girl trip, but we call it a staycation because, shout out to Ashley, because it's like a vacation, but you're still staying within where you live at. So we wasn't too far from, I mean, it was like a good 4 or 5 hour drive, but not too bad. We went to Virginia Beach and we stayed at the one of the new hotels, like the ocean front. It was like a Marriott ocean front, and my bad, y'all get to looking at myself or whatever. I really like this ginger color on me. Y'all like this ginger? Oh yeah, so we stayed at the new hotel, the Marriott ocean front, and it was really nice. Like, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. It's considered a beach resort. So we stayed at the Marriott for the first night, and then for the second night we stayed at the Hotel Cavalier. It's like historic Cavalier. I mean, both hotels were really, really nice. I'm not gonna hold you. The Marriott one, oh, because we had top floor and we had oceanfront view, baby. We saw the sunset and we saw the sunrise. It was so beautiful. And then with that, with your booking, it comes with like free activities, and we did meditation on the beach. Like, that was good. So shout out to Marriott Oceanfront. I definitely recommend that hotel. I recommend the Cavalier too, but I would say eat there because we ate at their restaurants, especially at the Becca, just for the ambience, and the food was just amazing. Like, and at the Marriott too, we ate at Tulu You Love You. Yeah, it was something like that. But that hotel food was really good. Like, I would say A1, like really, really good. So that was fun. I'm trying to think what else. We were supposed to go to out of town to go shoot for my other business that I have. But, things didn't align like they were supposed to. My son unfortunately caught COVID. He's in down there with his father. The good thing about that was, thank God that COVID doesn't really affect kids like that, which is a good thing. He still was feeling like his body said he was feeling weird, but he's good. Nonetheless, I always say, eat right, eat healthy. Don't watch me eating this video. But understand that I still do eat healthy. I just don't want to be showing y'all, but I do be doing it, okay? All right, let's do another big bite. Yeah, so, but, he's good, y'all. He just has to test negative before he comes home. That's it, nothing crazy. But, yeah, just take care of yourselves out here. COVID is rising. And, they're talking about shutting shit down again. I don't know how to put this on there without, hold on, let's see. Okay, all right, okay. Yo, that's gonna be a massive ass bite. Okay, hold on. Let me get myself prepared for this one because this is gonna be a big bite. Oh, excuse me. I'm gonna put no, that's doing too much. Let me just chill out. Just do this part. Excuse me. All right, let's go. Okay, hold on. Big bite. Just got a little bit left. Toast to that. Oh, it's not like some sparkling water. Excuse me. These burps be getting stuck and they really be blowing me. Excuse me. Woo! Excuse me. But speaking of these burps, guys, listen, this is just, you know, to all my kids that may be watching me, first of all, stop. Stop watching me. I'm not for y'all. I'm sorry. Like, I'm not, but to the adults in the room, especially the ones that favor my burps the most, I was having this conversation the other day on my Instagram, on my story. Listen, I don't mind that you guys come here, you know, for what you come here for, you know, to each his own. I'm not here to judge. All I ask of you is if you come to me for a proposal or something you may want, like a personal video or something you want me to do. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Come to me respectfully, okay? That's all I'm asking of you. I welcome you all to come have a conversation with me. I will talk to anybody. It's not a problem. I love my fans. You know, without y'all, I wouldn't get views. I wouldn't even be doing this. I just say, come to me respectfully, please. Because I don't want to have to get disrespectful. Okay, thanks. Okay, thanks. Okay, thanks. Love ya. Okay, seriously, though. Love y'all. I love y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all make me laugh. Honestly, y'all really do. And y'all cool for real. Y'all just, some of you know who you are. I mean, I personally don't know who you are because y'all don't, I don't want to know who you are in that sense. But, you know what I'm saying? Just keep it cute. Keep it classy, San Diego. Keep it classy, all right? Oh, let me prepare myself because that last one was like real, like, ooh, I put my pants down a little bit, y'all. Sorry. Wow. That one was a big one. Excuse me. Whoa. I'm getting full. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. It's like it was such a relief just now. Also, you guys, I had OnlyFans, but I don't have OnlyFans anymore. They just was doing too much for me, and it was just too much. But I still do personal videos, like I was saying. So if you guys ever want more contact, just DM me, email me. All my links should be down below. Instagram, Twitter, all of that. But again, respectfully, RESPECTFULLY. Find out what you mean to me. RESPECT. I don't remember what she says after that. Suck it to me, suck it to me, suck it to me. All right, I'm getting sleepy. Okay, guys, I'm getting out of here. I'm full. I got the itis. I might take a nap before the girls wake up because, baby, I did too much. Okay? So, again, catch me on the flip side. Peace out. I'm so full. I'm so special. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in. I just dove in. Like I said, August is going to be Discipline August, Diet August, Get Fit August,